I'm Sienna Bells. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. If y equal to 0.27 into m squared into n cubed, the whole to the power of 4, then prove that log of y to the base 10 is equal to 8 into log of m to the base 10 plus 12 into log of n to the base of 10 plus 3 into log of 3 to the base of 10 minus 2. Let's do this. Now we have 0.27 into m squared into n cubed, the whole to the power of 4. This can also be written as 0.27 is nothing but 27 upon 100. Into, now this is a formula to be known. If it's like AB, the product AB, whole to the power of P, that will be equal to A to the power of P into B to the power of P. Then keeping that in mind, we get m squared, the whole to the power of 4, into n cubed, whole to the power of 4. That means, again we know that if it's like a to the power of p, whole to the power of q, it is actually equal to a to the power of pq. That means, over here, 27 by 100 into 2 into 4 is a, m to the power of a, into n to the power of 3 into 4 is 12, n to the power of 12. Now bringing all the numerators together in the denominator, we have 27 into m to the power of 8 into n to the power of 12 by 100. And as per the question, y is equal to this. 27 is nothing but 3q into m to the power of 8 into n to the power of 12. And 100 is nothing but 10 squared. Now, this implies that log of y to the base 10 is equal to log of this entire fraction 3 cubed into m to the power of 8 into n to the power of 12 by 10 to the power of 2 to the base of 10. Continuing with this, we know that if it's like here, if it's like log of a by b to the base of c, it is equal to log of a to the base c minus log of b to the base c. And also, if it's like log of ab to the base c, then it's equal to log of a to the base c plus log of b to the base c, but I'm not able to write that due to lack of space. But keeping that in mind, we get, or log of y to the base 10 is equal to, over here we get log of 3 cubed to the base 10 plus log of m to the power of 8 to the base 10 plus log of n to the power of 12 to the base 10 minus log of 10 squared to the base 10. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of our sum. Let's continue. Or log of y to the base of 10 is equal to log of 3 cubed to the base of 10 plus log of m to the power of 8 to the base of 10 plus log of m to the power of 12 to the base of 10 minus log of 10 squared to the base of 10. Let's continue. Or, again, as usual, log of y to the base of 10 is equal to, now let's bring it into the order of what we want to prove. So, log of m to the power of 8 to the base of 10 plus log of n to the power of 12 to the base of 10, then plus log of 3 cubed to the base of 10 minus log of 10 squared to the base of 10. Now we know that if it's like log of a to the power of n to the base of b, then it's equal to n into log of a to the base of b. Then it's equal to 8 into log of m to the base of 10 plus 12 into log of n to the base of 10 plus 3 into log of 3 to the base of 10, and over here it is minus 2 into log of 10 to the base of 10. Now if it's like log of a to the base of a, then it's 1. That means, or log of y to the base of 10 is equal to 8 into log of m to the base of 10 plus 12 into log of n to the base of 10 plus 3 into log of 3 to the base of 10 minus 2 into 1. This is actually 1 only. 2 into 1, which is 2, minus 2. And then let's check that. Log of y to the base of 10 is equal to 8 into log of 10, log of n to the base of 10, then plus 12 into log of n to the base of 10, that's okay, then plus 3 into log of 3 to the base of 10, minus 2. So it is proved. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.